Pyramids. Grain-oriented electrical steel is the most critical transformer material. Its silicon iron crystal structure is specifically aligned to provide copper conductors are drawn into specific rectangular profiles engineered for each transformer design. The cross-section shape optimizes current distribution and cooling. Kraft paper insulation has proven its reliability over 100 years. When immersed in transformer oil, it withstands voltages exceeding 100 kilovolts. Pressboard barriers create insulation distances between high voltage and grounded components. Their shapes are engineered using electric field simulation to eliminate stress concentrations. Transformer oil serves dual purposes: electrical insulation withstanding hundreds of kilovolts, and cooling by circulating heat from the windings to external radiators. The insulation coating between laminations is just microns thick but prevents eddy currents that would turn the entire core into a massive, inefficient heater. High-voltage bushings must safely carry hundreds of amperes at hundreds of kilovolts through the grounded transformer tank wall with zero risk of flashover. Core cutting produces laminations with dimensional accuracy to within fractions of a millimeter. The cutting process must not do the silicon steel grain orientation at the cut edges. Step-lap core joints reduce no-load losses by minimizing air gaps at the lamination joints. Each successive layer is offset to distribute the magnetic flux path. Core stacking is the most labor-intensive operation. Workers place hundreds of individual laminations by hand, building the magnetic circuit that will operate for decades. Dimensions. Lamination alignment must be perfect. Displaced laminations create air gaps that increase magnetizing current. Core clamping must apply uniform pressure without creating short-circuit paths between laminations. Insulated tie rods and clamping frames maintain electrical isolation.
Core assembly times range from days for small distribution transformers to weeks for massive power transformers weighing over 100 tons.
Core loss testing verifies the magnetic circuit performs as designed. Core losses generate continuous heat that the cooling system must remove throughout the transformer lifetime. Transformer winding is where raw copper becomes an electromagnetic machine. Each coil contains hundreds of precise turns that must withstand tremendous electromagnetic forces during operation. Interlayer insulation serves dual purposes, preventing voltage breakdown between turns and creating channels for cooling oil to circulate through the winding. A high-voltage winding for a large power transformer may contain over 1,000 turns of insulated copper, requiring a week or more of continuous skilled winding. Winding tension must be precisely controlled. Loose windings would move under the enormous electromagnetic forces of a short circuit, potentially destroying the transformer. The low-voltage winding is installed on the core first, closest to the iron. The high-voltage winding goes over the outside, separated by insulation barriers. Interleaved disc windings distribute impulse voltage evenly across all turns, preventing the dangerous voltage concentrations that occur during lightning strikes. Winding moisture content must be reduced to below 0.5% before oil filling. Even trace moisture dramatically reduces the insulation's voltage withstand capability. Conductor transposition ensures equal current sharing among parallel strands, preventing hot spots that would accelerate insulation aging and reduce transformer life.
Mechanical testing verifies the winding can withstand the tremendous compressive forces generated during a power system short circuit, forces that can reach thousands of tons.
Core and coil assembly brings together the magnetic circuit and the electromagnetic coils, creating the complete active part of the transformer.
Insulation barriers maintain the required clearance distances between high voltage and grounded components. Their positioning is determined by electric field analysis. The gap between high voltage and low voltage windings must be precisely maintained. This space is filled with circulating oil that provides both insulation and cooling. High voltage lead routing must maintain insulation clearance from grounded components throughout. Each lead is insulated and supported to prevent movement during transport and operation. The on-load tap changer allows voltage adjustment without interrupting power supply. It switches between different winding taps while the transformer carries full load current. Tank insertion requires extreme care. The active part weighing many tons must be lowered through a narrow opening without contacting or damaging any internal insulation. Every weld on the transformer tank must be leak-tight under pressure. Welding procedures and welder qualifications are governed by pressure vessel standards. Radiator cooling capacity determines the transformer's maximum continuous power rating. More radiator surface area allows higher power output without overheating. Vacuum drying is critical for transformer longevity. Moisture trapped in the insulation accelerates aging, reduces The extracted water represents the moisture absorbed during manufacturing. Reducing residual moisture content below 0.5%. Vapor phase drying uses kerosene vapor condensation energy to heat the insulation rapidly and uniformly, reducing drying time from weeks to days. Drying is complete when the dew point of extracted vapor falls below -40°C, indicating the insulation moisture content has reached the target level. The dried active part must never be exposed to atmospheric moisture. Nitrogen blanketing protects the dry insulation during the critical transfer from oven to tank. Transformer oil is processed through vacuum degassing to remove dissolved water to below 10 parts per million and dissolved air to near zero.
The oil must be absolutely clear and pure. Even microscopic particles of trace moisture can create discharge paths that leak.
Filled oil must demonstrate minimum 60 kilovolts breakdown voltage and maximum 10 parts per million moisture content before the transformer can be energized.
Detergents. The high voltage test lab is one of the most dramatic facilities in all of manufacturing. Artificial lightning bolts and sustained high
cements. The impulse test simulates a direct lightning strike on the transformer. The voltage wave rises to peak value. Applied voltage testing holds the insulation at more than double the operating voltage for 60 seconds. Any weakness in the insulation system would be immediate and catastrophic. Partial discharge testing detects insulation defects too small to cause immediate failure, but which would grow over years of operation until causing breakdown. Transformer noise must meet strictly regulated levels. Sound is generated by core magnetostriction and winding forces, both carefully controlled through design and manufacturing precision. Turns ratio accuracy determines the transformer's output voltage precision. Ratio error must be less than 0.5% to meet grid voltage regulation requirements. Load loss measurement determines the continuous power dissipated as heat in the windings. This directly affects the transformer's efficiency and required cooling capacity. No load losses are present whenever the transformer is energized, regardless of load current. Core material quality and joint construction determine these continuous losses. Dielectric testing is the ultimate proof of insulation integrity. Failure during factory acceptance testing means the transformer cannot be shipped. Accessory installation completes the transformer for field service, adding the cooling equipment, protection devices, and connection hardware required for safe operation. dimensions. The Buchholz relay is the transformer's most important protection device. It detects gas produced by internal faults, and cooling radiators remove hundreds of kilowatts of heat from the transformer oil. Without adequate cooling, winding temperatures would exceed insulation ratings within hours. Temperature monitoring is essential for transformer life management. Insulation aging rate doubles for every 8-degree increase above normal operating temperature.
The pressure relief device vents internal pressure before the tank can rupture during a severe fault, preventing oil fires and transformer explosions.
The final paint system must withstand direct sunlight, rain, ice, and extreme temperatures for over 30 years of outdoor installation without coating failure. The test certificate package provides the customer with documentary evidence that the transformer meets every specification and has passed all type and routine tests.
Large power transformers weighing over 200 tons require specialized transport, route surveys, bridge load assessment.
Transformer positioning on the transport trailer must distribute weight evenly across all axles. Load distribution is calculated to comply with every bridge and road weight limit on the route. Nitrogen blanketing maintains positive pressure inside the tank, preventing atmospheric moisture from recontaminating the dried insulation system during transport. Transport monitoring recorders detect impacts and tilting that could displace windings or crack insulation barriers inside the sealed tank. A large transformer shipment may require 5 or more separate vehicles, the main unit plus individual loads of bushings, radiators, oil, and accessories. Route surveys are conducted months before delivery. Every bridge, intersection, and overhead obstruction is measured against the transformer transport dimensions.
Dispatch, this is Heavy Haul Escort. Confirming radio functionality, over.
Distribution transformers are small enough for standard truck delivery directly to the utility pole or pad mount location where they will be installed. The shipping yard coordinates the complex logistics of delivering transformers, ranging from 1-ton distribution units to 300-ton power transformers. Transformer storage requires continuous nitrogen blanketing, periodic oil level checks, and protection from weather exposure that could damage external components. Distribution transformer inventory supports the electrical utility's emergency replacement needs. A failed transformer must be replaced within hours to restore customer power. Every transformer is tracked from manufacturing through delivery and commissioning, providing lifetime traceability for warranty and maintenance support. Extended storage requires regular condition monitoring. Paint degradation, gasket aging, and insulation moisture reabsorption must be detected and addressed. Order completion verification ensures the customer receives everything needed for installation: transformer, bushings, radiators, accessories, oil, and complete documentation. Factory technical support guides field commissioning teams through the critical steps of transformer installation, oil filling, and first energization. The commissioning procedure follows a strict checklist. Skipping any step could result in damage during first energization. The departing transformer carries decades of reliable service potential. A well-maintained power transformer can operate for over 40 years. Transformer design integrates electromagnetic, thermal, mechanical, and insulation engineering into a single optimized machine for each customer's specific requirements. Core stacking quality meetings ensure every worker understands the precision requirements. A misplaced lamination could increase core losses for the entire transformer lifetime.
Pedestrians. The master winder's experience is irreplaceable. Programming a complex winding pattern requires understanding both the magnetic design.
Calibration before witness tests ensures measurement accuracy. Customers travel worldwide to witness their transformers' high-voltage tests at the factory. Safety in a transformer factory addresses unique hazards: multi-ton crane lifts, high-voltage testing, hot oil handling, and confined space entry into transformer tanks.
Automation investments improve quality consistency while reducing lead times that can extend to 12 months for large power transformers.
The thermal modeling indicates we can reduce the core by 15%. What about the winding tolerances at that scale? It complicates assembly. We need assurance on the insulation stability.
Transformer manufacturing remains a craft. Automation assists, but the skill and judgment of experienced workers remain essential for building reliable machines.
Every transformer that passes its factory acceptance test represents the combined skill and dedication of hundreds of workers across every manufacturing department.
Winding operations continue around the clock on critical path transformers. The winding machine turns through the night, adding hundreds of copper turns before morning.
Oil processing runs continuously to maintain sufficient inventory of processed oil for transformer filling operations scheduled for the following days.
Night security monitors fire and environmental alarms. The massive quantities of transformer oil stored in the factory require continuous fire protection vigilance. The status board tracks every transformer from order receipt through manufacturing to delivery, ensuring project timelines are met for critical infrastructure deadlines. From a thin sheet of steel to a machine that powers a city, the transformer factory builds the giants of the electrical grid that deliver power to millions.
A transformer transfers electrical energy using only magnetic fields. No moving parts, no physical contact.
First energization is the culmination of months of design and manufacturing. The transformer connects to the grid and begins the decades of silent, faithful service it was built to provide. Every electrical outlet in the world is powered through transformers. Without them, the high voltages needed for efficient power transmission could never be safely used. From a thin sheet of steel to a machine that powers a city, the transformer factory builds the giants of the electrical grid that deliver power to millions.
This facility builds the machines that make modern electrical civilization possible. Each transformer a silent giant that faithfully powers the lives of thousands. From magnetic field to city power, the transformer full, silent, efficient, enduring play, the silent giant. Steel, copper, and invisible magnetic fields. Behind every switch you flip, every light that illuminates